be showing you how to make a crochet sunglasses pouch. What you're going to need for this pattern is some size 4 yarn. I will be using Lion Brand Landscapes Fusion today. An eye hook, 5.5 millimeters, some scissors, and a yarn needle. To get started, I'm going to create a slip knot and put your yarn on your hook. We're going to chain 28. Once you have 28, you're going to connect your last chain with the first chain. So you want to be really careful to make sure your yarn, your chain does not twist when you're doing this. Let's come around to that first chain, put your needle through there, yarn over and pull through that loop and the other loop on your hook. So now you have a circle. And we're going to chain 2 and then double crochet into that same chain. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now next we're going to skip the next chain, and in the next one we're going to place 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and then in that same stitch we're going to do that again. 1 double crochet. We're going to skip the next stitch and do the same thing in the next. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And again in the same stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And we're going to keep doing this all the way around. We're going to skip 1 and then place 2 double crochet in the next, skip 1, 2 double crochet in the next, until we get all the way around back to the beginning. So skip and then 2 double crochet. Now as you get back around to the end of your round, you should have 14 of these double crochet clusters. So each 2 double crochets together, you count that as 1 cluster and you count them around and you should have 14. And as you come to the end here, you're going to see you have 1 stitch left and then your join slip stitch, and you're going to skip both of those and slip stitch into the top of that double crochet here. Now you're going to chain 2 for round 2 and double crochet into that same stitch. Now you're going to skip this next stitch and place 2 double crochet in the next, which will be right in the middle of your last double crochet cluster. So 1, 2 double crochet. Skip the next, put 2 double crochet in the next, right in the middle of the next double crochet cluster. And we're going to keep doing that around, skip, and then 2 double crochet until we get all the way around to the beginning of our round. Now as you come back around to the beginning, after your last double crochet cluster, again you should have 14 clusters in your round. You're going to join again with a slip stitch to that first double crochet, and we're going to do the same thing that we did on the last round. Chain 2 double crochet in the same stitch, skip the next, 2 double crochet in the next, and we're going to keep doing this and doing the next few rounds exactly the same, and you're going to continue to do rounds in exactly the same manner until you have 15 rounds. So right now we're starting round 3, and you're going to go until you complete 15. You can see that if we lay our work flat right now, at the end we'll sew this together. That'll be the bottom, and your pouch should be about 4 inches wide, which should fit most sunglass sizes. And we're just going to keep on doing this until we have 15 rounds, which will be roughly between 7 and 8 inches tall. So keep working on those rounds and meet me back here. All right, so I have completed 14 rounds, and my bag is already almost 8 inches tall, so I'm going to go ahead and stop there. You can go all the way to 15 rounds if that's what you need to get that height, or you can stop as soon as you get to the height that you need for your glasses. So now we're going to finish off and weave in this end. Now on our other end, we're going to use our tail to whip stitch the bottom of our pouch closed. Now if your tail is not long enough, you can just use another length of yarn and knot it to the bottom here. And then we're just going to whip stitch, going from one loop of one side of our pouch to one loop of the other side, pulling it tight. Once you get to the other end, you can tie a knot and weave in your end. All right, now we're going to create a drawstring to weave in around the top to cinch the top shut. So to do that, You're going to leave a little bit of a tail in case you want to put a tassel or a pom-pom or anything decorative on the end later. And we're just going to put our yarn on our hook and chain about 13 inches so that we have plenty of room to tie around the top of our pouch. Once your chain is long enough, finish that off. I'm going to tie a knot at the end. And at the other end. And we're going to put this chain on our yarn needle and use this to weave our chain around the top of our bag. So this top row here, find the kind of the middle, and then just to the left of that, you're going to go in, just kind of go in and out around every cluster, pull it through till you just have one end there. Go all the way around the back. Back around to the front. Kind of tug on that until you get it even on both sides. Then you have your drawstring. Put glasses in here. Tie it shut. Now you can add some decorative touches to the end of your string here. I like to add tassels. You could do buttons, pom-poms, whatever you think you would like. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this project. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet patterns.